All right, little trade recap for you guys. I took one trade and it hit every single take profit. So let's jump right into how I took this trade, what the thought process was. Yeah, so starting off, we had a lot of news yesterday. We had unemployment claims, we had flash manufacturing PMI, we had flash services PMI, existing home sales, and an FOMC member speaking. But that didn't necessarily stop me from taking a winning trade. So we were bullish on the 4 hour. We broke 4 hour structure to the upside right here. And on the hourly, we were bullish going into market open. During pre-market, I marked out these hourly lows right here, these hourly lows right here, and then these hourly lows all the way down here. Those were pretty much my confluences for the day. Moving into the 5 minute, we saw that market came through, swept out those lows, broke structure to the upside off this candle, and then this down move ended up turning into an order block, which is why it was labeled in blue. We saw the break of structure off this candlestick. I saw an imbalance get formed right within here, along with this order block. Okay, we see a push right back down into the order block. Okay, and then from there, I entered off of this 1 minute break of structure to the upside, pretty much confirming 5 minute continuation, okay, because we were bullish on the 5 minute after that break of structure to the upside, okay, and this, I guess, rejection candle out of the order block and the imbalance stops underneath the liquidity sweep, okay, we ended up pushing up, revisiting this fair value gap, and then pushing higher. My first take profit was kind of just like the base of this like head and shoulders pattern. Was kind of a solid area to mark out. The next draw was this previous hourly order block right here. Okay, and then the last and final draw were these hourly highs. Hit every single take profit. Overall, it was a good trade. Stuck to my bias. Everything went well. And yeah, I've been taking pretty much the same exact trades, or I've been using the same exact strategy that I gave the mastermind, however many days ago, or like last week and a half ago. And the whole point of me using it was kind of to show proof of concept to them, and also, I guess, now to you guys, that this strategy, and I haven't even told you guys that it's mainly just for the mastermind people, but I'll eventually talk about it in the trading transformation series. But essentially, all you do, you look at 4 different time frames, and it's literally a step-by-step execution, the easiest strategy ever. And you can take as many trades as you want as long as those steps are hit. And everybody in the mastermind has been freaking killing it since I introduced it. And I, obviously, if you guys have seen any of the recent trade recaps, have been doing really well trading this way. So, yeah, by doing this, has literally just been kind of like, again, like just giving myself proof of concept that like what I'm teaching genuinely works. And so far, it's been doing really, really well. So, yeah, this was the only trade that I took. We can go ahead and look at ES. ES was a similar situation on the 4 hour. We were bullish. We broke structure right here. On the hourly, we were bullish as well. We marked out these hourly lows right here and right here. Market opened. We swept out those hourly lows. We ended up breaking structure to the upside on this candle. And then I went ahead and marked out this 5 minute imbalance from this to here, from here to here. I also marked out this 5 minute order block. None of those got hit, and price ended up just moving higher and higher. So no entry on ES, but if there was one, I would have been able to take it. On NASDAQ, there was an entry. I did take it. It hit every single take profit, which has been kind of like the theme. Recently, we've been hitting pretty much, or I've been hitting pretty much every take profit over the past like week or so when it's been a winning trade. Obviously, I believe yesterday I had 2 losing trades. But yeah, overall this week I've been training really, really well, keeping it as simple as possible. So yeah, there's a little trade recap for you guys. All right.